Which relationships are considered a function? So we have three different relationships here. We have this set of numbers, this set of numbers, and this graph right here. So go ahead and try this one out. Select which ones are functions, pause the video, and then hit play when you're ready to see the answer. So remember, when we're dealing with what is a function, we always need to know that every input that we have gives us only one output. So what does that mean? Well, when we have this here, we see these as x and y values, and we know that x values are considered our inputs, and y values are considered our outputs. So in this case here, we look through this first set of numbers. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 as our inputs, and they give us our outputs of 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Each input on the left here gives us its own output, which is great. So this one here, function. Next set of numbers here, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Well, 4 here is giving us an output of 12. It's also giving us an output of 15. So since one input of 4 is giving us two outputs, not a function. As we look through this graph here, what we're looking for is we can do one of two things. We can think of this input to one output, or we can use our vertical line test, which does the same thing, because when we're looking at a vertical line, we're looking at one x value. So in this case, like -5. We're trying to only see one y value. So if we go down, let's say -4, our vertical line, we see there's only one output. Great. -3, only one output. -2, no outputs, which is fine. And when we get to +1, though, we see that we get an input of +1 gives us an output of 0 and 1, meaning this one is not a function either.